Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change name on Teachable account. To change name on your Teachable account, first of all open up a web browser and go ahead and type in teachable.com in the URL box. Also make sure that you are logged into your Teachable account. Once you end up in the homepage of Teachable, go ahead and click on the settings button on the left hand side menu. After opening up the settings menu, go to the full name tab and enter the new name you would like to use for your account. After you do that, type in your password in the last field that is associated with your Teachable account and click on Save Changes. And right after you do that, you will be able to change your name on Teachable. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.